In this problem, another word problem, we're going to do a little bit of geometry. A rectangle has a length of y plus 5 centimeters and a width of y minus 5 centimeters. Write a formula to represent its area. First thing we're going to do is draw a rectangle. The length, which is up top, is y plus 5, and the width, which is the side, is y minus 5, and they want us to write a formula. In the formula for representing the area of a rectangle, area equals length times width. So in order to do this, I'm going to substitute my length as y plus 5 and my width as y minus 5. And you're done. Okay, let's practice. Practice what we've learned. Here we have 3 problems we're going to evaluate. We're going to evaluate using PEMDAS. First, I solve inside the parentheses. 3 plus 8. So I have 2 times 8 plus 3 is 11 minus 3. These parentheses means multiplication. I don't have any exponents, so I don't have to solve for exponents. Multiplication, 2 times 11 is 22 minus 3. And 22 minus 3 is 19. Number 2. I have no parentheses, but I do have exponents, so that's why I need to solve first. And that is a 3. Okay, I thought that was a 5 for a second. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. 5 plus 3 squared means 3 times 3, or 9. And then I have a minus 16 and a positive 4. I have addition and subtraction left. So I need to go ahead and solve left to right, meaning I'm going to solve my 5 plus 9 first. 5 plus 9 is 14. I'm going to rewrite the rest of my problem. Moving left to right, 14 minus 16. The signs are different, so I'm going to find the difference, which is 2. 16 is larger than 14, and it has a negative, so my answer is negative 2. Rewriting my problem. And now I can go ahead and solve negative 2 and a positive 4, or 4 minus 2, which is 2. Number 3. 12 plus 8 divided by 6 plus 7. I have no parentheses. I have no exponents. But I do have division. Let me see if I wrote that down correctly. And I did not. That's supposed to be an 18. Okay, that's going to be a lot easier to solve. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite what's not highlighted. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Now I'm going to solve my addition, and, well, I only have addition. Moving left to right, so I'm going to solve 12 plus 3 first. 12 plus 3 is 15. Still have my positive 7. And 15 plus 7 is 22. So I go to the innermost of my brackets, which is my parentheses. I need to rewrite everything solving what is highlighted. I have 19 minus 8 minus 1 is 7 divided by 3. Now I'm still working inside the brackets because P also on top of parentheses also means brackets. So I have to solve. So 19 minus 7 is 12. And then don't forget you have divide by 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I look inside my brackets first. And inside my brackets I have parentheses. I need to solve that first. Rewrite my brackets. -8 and a +3, the signs are different, so I find the difference. So the difference of 8 and 3 is 5. 8 is larger than 3, and it has a negative, so my answer is negative. Times 4 minus 2 divided by 6, rewriting your whole problem. I'm still working inside my brackets. According to PEMDAS, I do multiplication before I do subtraction. -5 times 4 is a -20 minus 2, and then my divide by 6. I'm still working inside my brackets because I still have numbers in there. And -20 and a -20 minus 2. Notice the signs are the same. They're both negatives. When they're the same, you find the sum. So 20 and 2 is 22. 20 is larger than 2, so you take the sign of the larger number. And then divided by 6. And 22 divided by 6, so that'd be 3.66. Repeating. It's a negative divided by a positive, so my answer is negative. Okay, I have parentheses, so I need to do what's inside the parentheses first. I'm going to highlight that, rewriting the rest of my problem. 3 plus 21 divided by 7 is 3 times 8 divided by 4. I have to do all multiplication division left to right, so I'm going to do 3 times 8 first, since that's my first multiplication problem. So 3 plus 3 times 8 is 24 divided by 4. Now I have my division and rewriting my problem. 3 plus 24 divided by 4 is 6, and 3 plus 6 is 9. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at this one with fractions. Oh, you know how many people I would have not do this problem because it has fractions in it? Are you the same way? It's okay. Let me show you how to deal with fractions, okay? We have to solve inside the parentheses first, according to PEMDAS. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. 1/3 minus 12 times 77 divided by 11 is 7. Divided by 9. I have to solve my multiplication first, which 1/3 minus 12 times 7 is 84 divided by 9. I have two fractions. Before I can subtract them, I have to find common denominators. So I have 1/3 minus 84 over 9. Now the smallest number they have in common is 9. And that way I don't have to change this one at all. I say to myself, 3 times what equals 9? What I do the bottom, I do the top. So now I can subtract. 3 minus 84 is a -81. The reason it's a -81 is because I have a +3 and a -84. The signs are different, so I find the difference, which is 81, and 84 has a larger number, is larger than 3, so I use a sign in front of the 84. Now don't forget, my common denominator is 9, and -81 divided by 9 is a -9.